Freelancing refers to a work arrangement where individuals offer their skills and services to clients on a project basis, typically on a contract or temporary basis. Freelancers, also known as independent contractors, are self-employed and not committed to any particular employer or company on a long-term basis. In freelancing, individuals have the flexibility to choose their clients, projects, and working hours. They can work remotely from anywhere, as long as they have the necessary tools and resources. Freelancers are responsible for managing their own business operations, including finding clients, negotiating contracts, setting rates, delivering the work, and invoicing clients. Freelancers can offer a wide range of services depending on their skills and expertise. Common freelance professions include writing, graphic design, web development, programming, digital marketing, photography, consulting, translation, and many others. Freelancing has become increasingly popular due to the rise of digital platforms that connect freelancers with clients worldwide. These platforms provide a marketplace where freelancers can showcase their skills, find job opportunities, and receive payments securely. Freelancers can work on multiple projects simultaneously, allowing them to diversify their income streams. While freelancing offers flexibility and the potential for higher income compared to traditional employment, it also comes with challenges. Freelancers must continuously seek new clients, manage their finances, handle administrative tasks, and handle fluctuations in workload. However, many people find freelancing rewarding as it allows them to have greater control over their work-life balance and pursue projects aligned with their interests and skills. To make money freelancing, these 10 steps. Number 1. Determine your skills and niche. Number 2. Build your portfolio. Number 3. Choose a freelancing platform. Number 4. Create a compelling profile. Number 5. Start bidding on projects. Number 6. Set competitive rates. Number 7. Deliver high-quality work. Number 8. Seek client feedback and testimonials. Number 9. Expand your network. Number 10. Continuously improve your skill. To earn money in freelancing, follow these steps. Step number 1. Determine your skills and niche. Identify the services you can offer as a freelancer. Assess your strengths, experience, and expertise to determine your area of specialization. It could be writing, graphic design, programming, digital marketing, translation, or any other skill you possess. Step number 2. Build your portfolio. Create a portfolio that showcases your best work. If you don't have previous clients, you can start by creating sample projects to demonstrate your skills. This will help potential clients evaluate your abilities and make hiring decisions. Step number 3. Choose a freelancing platform. Sign up on reputable freelancing platforms that align with your skills, such as Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer, or Guru. These platforms connect freelancers with clients and provide a secure payment system. Step number 4. Create a compelling profile. Craft a professional profile that highlights your skills, experience, and expertise. Use clear and concise language, and include samples of your work or a link to your portfolio. A well-crafted profile increases your chances of attracting clients. Step number 5. Start bidding on projects. Browse the available projects on the freelancing platform and submit proposals to those that match your skills. Tailor each proposal to the specific project, demonstrating your understanding of the client's requirements and how you can meet them. Step number 6. Set competitive rates. Determine your pricing structure based on factors like your experience, complexity of the project, and market rates. In the beginning, it may be necessary to offer slightly lower rates to attract clients and build your reputation. As you gain experience and positive reviews, you can increase your rates. Step number 7. Deliver high-quality work. Once you secure a project, communicate effectively with the client to clarify project requirements, deadlines, and expectations. Deliver the work on time and ensure it meets the client's specifications. Providing exceptional quality and meeting deadlines will help you build a strong reputation as a reliable freelancer. Step number 8. Seek client feedback and testimonials. Request feedback from clients after completing projects. Positive reviews and testimonials enhance your credibility and can attract more clients in the future. Constructive criticism from clients can also help you improve your skills and service. Step no 9. Expand your network. Actively network with other freelancers and professionals in your industry. Join relevant online communities, attend virtual events, and engage in conversations to build connections and learn from others. Referrals from fellow freelancers or clients can lead to new opportunities. Step number 10. Continuously improve your skills. Invest time in enhancing your skills through online courses, tutorials, or certifications. Staying updated with industry trends and technology will give you a competitive edge and allow you to offer high-quality services to clients. Remember, freelancing requires patience, perseverance, and consistent effort to build a sustainable income. Building a strong reputation and positive relationships with clients is crucial for long-term success. I hope you like my video. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel, and thanks for watching.